In this video, I'll show you how to access the privacy policy in X.com, also known as Twitter, in just a few simple steps. This is a quick tutorial, so if you find it helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Let's get right into it. First, log into your X.com account and look at the left navigation bar on the screen. You'll want to click on More. This opens up additional menu options that are not visible in the main sidebar. Once the menu expands, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps your account controls, safety options, and privacy-related settings. After that, click on Privacy and Safety. This section is specifically designed for managing how your account interacts with others and how your data is handled. Now, inside that menu, click on Privacy Policy. That will take you directly to the Privacy Policy page so you can review the latest policy details. And that's it. You've now accessed the privacy policy in X.com or Twitter. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a simple tutorial like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.